Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. This video is for you if you enjoy magnificent industrial devices used in road construction, such as dirt compactors, motor graders, signaling machines, and massive paving machines. You'll be astounded when you see these road and railroad construction machines that you've probably never seen before. So without further ado, here we go. Number 6. ETNYRE 24-foot wide asphalt laydown. ETNYRE has been producing distributor trucks since 1910. The streamlined design of ETNYRE reduces maintenance while increasing performance and efficiency. It comes with a 400 GPM ETNYRE material pump. Radar speed sensing is used to estimate ground speed and distance accurately. Surge plates and heads with a dish and flange are doubly welded to the tank. The spray width can be adjusted from the cab. Its self-flushing technology cleans the entire circulation system with very little flushing oil. The VacuFlow suckback system clears asphalt from the lowest point of the system without reversing the asphalt pump or backflushing the suction screen. Burners for both diesel and LPG are available. The ETNYRE spray bar's broad cross-section and obstruction-free design allows for improved circulation, faster heat-up periods, and faster starters. Asphalt slugs clog valves. Hence, ETNYRE's valves are tapered and self-draining. Spray bars with fixed and variable widths up to 24 feet wide are available. Number 5. ANDALE Construction Soil Stabilization. ANDALE Construction provides soil stabilization and full-depth reclamation services. Soil stabilization improves the load-bearing and capacity to support pavements and foundations by increasing the strength of the soil and controlling its shrink/swell qualities. Soil stabilization solutions can be used on roads, parking lots, construction sites, airports, and a variety of other places where subsoils are unsuitable for construction. The Super Slurry Cement Soil Stabilization is non-toxic to workers and bystanders and is environmentally benign. There is no dust produced. It quickly boosts the soil's strength. It creates a viable basis for both hard and flexible pavements. It complies with and above OSHA's respirable silica standard. ANDALE can use materials like dry Portland cement and Class C fly ash to achieve traditional soil stabilizing procedures. To construct the appropriate subgrade, these materials are distributed on the surface and mixed into the soil at the specified depth. Number 4. VOGELE AG Super 1800-3. The Super 1800-3i, the most powerful tracked paver in its performance class, can handle a huge variety of jobs. The VOGELE paver can handle motorway projects as well as narrow roundabouts with a maximum pave width of 10 meters and a machine length of under 6 meters. Even the most complex machine can only truly demonstrate its capabilities if it can be used as readily and naturally as feasible. At the same time, it should provide the operating team with an ergonomic and safe working environment. As a result, the operator is at the center of the Ergo Plus 3 operating concept. The Paver Operator's Console is exceptionally easy to use and was created with practical ideas in mind. All functions are grouped together logically so that the operator may find each function exactly where he expects it. The operator's platform on the paver provides an uninterrupted view of all important places on the paver, such as the material hopper, steering guide, and screed. Number 3. SWIETELSKY RUS 1000S. The RUS 1000S is based on the RU 800S, a machine that can clean both the track and the ballast bed. The new machine's work technology is shaped by the knowledge and experience gained from daily operation. The machine was created collaboratively by Placer and Thurrer, SWIETELSKY, and Austrian Federal Railways. The partnership has now put the RUS 1000S into normal operation after some final changes. The new machine, like its predecessor, operates in a logical and technologically sound manner, cleaning the ballast before laying the new sleepers. Furthermore, the RUS 1000S can work with minimal working radii of 250 meters, as demonstrated during a job in Austria's Arlberg mountain range. The RUS 1000S has more drive power, allowing it to run down tracks with a 30-degree grade with ease. The machine is also more environmentally friendly, with CO2 emissions and noise reductions of up to 30%. Number 2. OPTIMAS S19 Paver Laying Machine. The S19 PaveJet paving machine excels due to its optimized further development based on decades of experience. It is the ideal machine for today's requirements and fits the demands of both small and large building sites. A renowned industrial designer has given the S19 PaveJet a whole new look. The bulk of pavement laying machines is made to order, allowing for specific customer requirements such as clamp options and extras such as cabins, heating, four-wheel drive, and precisely installs pavers and slabs with flawless joint pattern. The excellent combination of the two-axle turntable steering and the endless grab-turning gear ensures that the equipment is always optimally useful, whether on small or large construction sites. There are no limits, whether it's laying in underground parking garages or pulling up stone layers from pallets stacked on top of each other at the height of 2.6 meters. Number 1. Tiger Stone Paving Machine. The Tiger Stone is a 6-meter wide paving equipment that can resurface a street or road perfectly in one pass. The Tiger Stone also adds the edge finish right away. As a result, the stones become securely wedged between the curbs almost instantly. The street/road is completed all at once with no trash or garbage on the road. What can you expect from the Tiger Stone? It has the potential to improve your working environment. The edge finish is applied right away, so there's no need to cut later. Multiple components can be processed at the same time. These are only a few of the advantages for you or your company. Did you enjoy the video? Which machine interests you most? Tell us in the comment section down below and hit the like button too. Thank you for watching. See you all in the next video.